In 1991, Massey Ferguson introduced the 40 RS combine to head their recently introduced 30 series. Like the machines they replaced, the new combines were built at the Dronningborg plant at Randers in Denmark. Thrashing was carried out by a 1.68 metre wide drum with 8 rasp bars, followed by a rear beater. The RS on the 40 stood for rotary separator. This was an additional concave cylinder behind the rear beater, which gave better separation on damp, high-yielding crops with large straw volumes. It also helped fluff up the straw as it went onto the 6 straw walkers, so that grain fell through more easily. Two tables were offered: the conventional free-flow header or popular power flow table, with its belt conveyor between the knife and auger. This was especially useful in crops like rape, linseed and beans. Widths available for both headers on the 40 were 18, 20 and 22 foot. The grain tank, which held 7,900 litres, could be unloaded at a rate of 84 litres per second, meaning the whole tank could be emptied in under 2 minutes. The combine was fitted with the Vision computer, complete with screen and built-in printer. This displayed harvest information such as settings, drum speed, grain loss and cutting height. This became DataVision in 1993, and in 1996 the updated DataVision 2 system became standard on all models. Options included the yield meter, which formed the basis of MF's yield mapping system. When combined with GPS data, a coloured yield map of the field could be produced. The combine was originally launched with a 265 horsepower 6-cylinder turbocharged and intercooled Valmet 612 DSJL engine, but this was uprated in 1993 to 300 horsepower. In 1997, MF's parent company, Agri, acquired Dronningborg Industries. In 1998, they transferred production of the 30 and 40 series combines from Randers to Agri's Brazilian combine plant, where updated versions are still produced for certain markets.